Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from another company that I PR for, and it is Love2plan92. You're definitely going to want to check her out, especially if you like to order kits that are sent to you or order kits that you want to be able to print out and cut yourself. She does both, and they are beautiful. So let me show you what I got. I do have a code for her, and it will be in my link tree down in the description below, okay? Let me see. Here are Panda reading books on a floaty. Look, a pug, look, drinking coffee. I'm going to say it's coffee because that's what I drink, so. Birthday, and with wings, and it looks like a little unicorn. And then the unicorn, I'm going to say drinking coffee because, again, I mean drinking. I'm saying drinking coffee. What do you think? Drinking coffee. All right, and so here is the first kit. Y'all, these kits are gorgeous. Look at here. This one's called Blossom, and I'm going to try to pull them out so that you can enjoy each one separately. This one is Blossom, and here are your full boxes. And it says spring here, April showers bring May flowers, spring in the air. Isn't that beautiful? And then the bouquet of heart-shaped flowers. So there are your full boxes, half boxes, headers with to-do, odds and ends, and sidebar with heart flag. Beautiful. Your day covers with the bottom washi and heart flags. And then your washi strips with your sidebar and your bill-do. Look at that, washi strips are gorgeous. Look at that. This one is called Bloom. I love it already. The next one is called Serenity. And that is this one. Here are your full boxes. Tea and life is lovely. It's beautiful. Your half boxes and your headers with heart check flags. Your day covers with your bottom washi and heart check flags. Okay, there is that one. Hold on one second, I want to flip it over for you. Then this next one is called Kindred Spirits. Look at this beautiful kit. There's your full boxes. Well, your glitter washi and sidebar. Your half boxes, headers, and heart check flags. And day covers with bottom washi. Look at that washi, guys. And heart check flags. And that again is Kindred Spirits. Y'all gotta go check her out. And this is one of my favorites. I cannot wait. I'm glad I saved it for last. This is called Hippity Hop. Look at the cups. It says hip hop. Then the eyelashes on the sleep-in mask. The planner with the little bunny clip with the butt. And then look at these pancakes, guys. Come on. These pancakes are so stinking cute. So precious. Love it. Here's your full boxes. Ah, look at your bottom washi. And your day covers and your heart check flags. Your half boxes, day headers, and your heart check flag. Your glitter washi. Oh, and I have it upside down. Your glitter washi. And your sidebar. And that one's called Hippity Hop. All right, you guys have got to go over there and check her out. She, like I said, she has ones that print to sell, and then she also has ones that you can buy that you can print and cut yourself. So with the files. So definitely go check out Love2plan92. I will have my code down in the description below in my link tree. And I hope to see y'all back here really soon. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll get my notifications. And join PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so you know when these sales are happening. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.